Hawk Tube.
Welcome to Warhawk Football. I'm Gary Douglas, the voice of Whitewater football on Cool 106.5. I hope you'll join me every weekend for the best in college football on Cool 106.5 and streaming live at 940WFAW.com.
We are a day of now. Technology allows that between podcasts and streaming and everything else. The blog work and what you're doing now with HawkTube, phenomenal. And if you're a Warhawk fan, it doesn't matter where you're at, whether you're in Jefferson or you're in Beijing or you're in wherever, you can get access to Warhawk Athletics in a heartbeat.
A shameless plug here for Cool 106.5, but with the season starting next weekend, if you are a potential advertiser, you get pretty nice bang for your buck if you want to be part of Warhawk football on the radio.
It's a pretty inexpensive way, Tom, for you to market your company, your services that you have to offer using Warhawk Athletics. A couple of things we mentioned, 13,000 people listened to a game online last year. The numbers for our podcast have been equally as good. Then you do the math on how many people attend a Warhawk football game or a Warhawk basketball game or a Warhawk baseball game. Those are pretty large numbers. I think you're looking, up over 50, 60,000 people that attended a game last year. Well, what happens when they can't make it to the game? What happens when the Warhawks are on the road? Those are fans that still want to know how their team is performing and how they're playing that day. There's only one way to get the game. That's going to Cool 106.5 or 940WFAW.com. And when you buy your marketing plan, you're able to get your commercials heard, not only on the game live over the radio, but they're also part of our podcast broadcast and, of course, our streaming broadcast as well. So, if people are interested, they can certainly give a call, 920-563-9329. Again, 920-563-9329.